Let me take you on a trip to Doha, Qatar, a demountable stadium built with shipping containers. There is a high demand of shipping container homes over the world. That doesn't mean that it's going to replace the traditional way of building. Personally, for me, not now, but over the years, the world is going to transit from embracing more of shipping container homes compared to the traditional way of building because it's more safer, cost effective, and it is more modular compared to the traditional way of building. Shipping container homes is actually a threat to the traditional way of building. Let me take a case study of Dangote that has cement factory. If people start embracing shipping container homes compared to the traditional way of building, best believe that all those billionaires that have cement factories, just like Dangote, their net worth is definitely going to plummet over the years. Countries all over the world are facing a housing crisis with a massive shortfall of homes for expanding population. About 1.6 billion people live in substandard housing and 10 million people are homeless. In Nigeria alone, 21 trillion is required to bridge 28 million housing deficit. Africa faces a shortfall of at least 51 million housing units as African cities are now becoming increasingly popular, with a migration of 40,000 people per day in most dense cities. Most people in certain countries think that you can only use shipping container homes for commercial purposes, but that's certainly not true. You can use shipping container homes for both residential and commercial purposes. Shipping container home has been quite popular over the years, with majority of shipping container home currently in the United States of America. Other countries like Brazil, the UK, Italy, Israel, Slovakia, and many more countries are embracing shipping container homes. It is safe to say at this point that shipping container homes are better than the traditional homes because they have the ability to withstand fire, flooding, and cracks. There are some advantages of shipping container homes. They are cost effective than the traditional housing. They are quick to construct. Shipping container homes are easy to modify. They are durable and they can be mobile. Some drawbacks of shipping container homes are site constraint, stacking, repositioning, theft because they are mobile. Let me take you on a trip to Doha, Qatar, a demountable stadium built with shipping containers. Colorful shipping containers and modular structure were used to make Stadium 974. It is a 40,000 sport venue near Doha Sport. It is the first stadium designed to be fully demountable in FIFA World Cup history. The aim of this stadium is to be dismantled and reassembled in a new location after the football tournament in 2020, or repurposed for a series of small venues. Its modular design also reduces construction cost, building time, material waste, and organizer said water efficiency method ensures it will reduce water use by 40% compared to a conventional stadium development. Stadium 974 is named after the shipping containers used for its construction. The number 974 is also the country's international dialing code. I'm glad you made it to the end part of this video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm smart, definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out for now.